Hi, good evening, everyone. This is Labhyans. I'm going to talk about very interesting topic today. Like, you also think English learning is impossible for me. Do you think like that? Yes, I also used to think like that. So, if you think like that, then what can you do? Like, first, you can do start speaking. First of all, start speaking. Whatever you know in English, start speaking. Second thing, what you can do, like, do not translate in your mind. Whatever you know, just speak. It's matter a lot. Third thing, what you can do, stop shy to speak anyone or front of anyone. When I also started to learn English, like I also had lots of fear to speak English. I follow these three sentences, these three rules. Then I got to reach this stage. You can see that how am I speaking. I understand I am not able to speak English very fluent. I am not very better, but still I am trying to do it. If you follow these three things, then you can improve your speaking English. If you think that English speaking is impossible for me, so it is not like that. We should not fear from English. I am not telling it is an easy language. When you started to learn, it become your habit. Then you will get to know that, as I was thinking that I cannot speak English, it's not possible for me, it is not made for me. Then when you starting learning and you will do practice every day, if you keep these three thing in your always mind, then I am 100% sure that you can speak English very better way, very fluent way, and very confident. So do not fear from English and do not sigh. Do not convert. Do not think in mind Hindi. Just whatever you know, just speak. It's a matter a lot. You think that, like, what people will think if I speak something wrong. Then nothing. Do not think like that. People will not think anything. Whatever you are doing for yourself, not someone else. Then what do you think about other, that what other will think? Let them think. That is your not job to what people will think. Do your job. If you follow these three things, then I am 100% sure that you can change it within some days. Because when I started to learn English, I also used to do something. So that's why I'm telling to you. And you can see, as I reach at this stage, and still I am improving. Like, improving anything, it is not a cup of tea that you will have within time. It takes some time, some month, some year. Then you will get confident. You can speak English, and whatever you are trying to do, you can become very confident on that. So follow these three rules. If you are beginner and haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe and do support me who all are learning English. Please share my channel to them, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and comment me. And how do you practice English? Please tell me on my comment box. Thank you so much. See you in next vlog. Bye. Great evening ahead. Good night.